Hey guys, welcome to this video. I'm back with a BoxyCharm unboxing. I know I haven't unboxed my BoxyCharms here on YouTube because I was getting the base box and the premium box and then the Try Beauty box, and then it was just too many videos for me to film. It was also a lot of editing for me to do. I do edit these videos on Instagram, but they don't take that much time, you know? It's like it's quick and easy to the point. So we are back with the April Base BoxyCharm. A special thanks to BoxyCharm for sending me this month's base box. So let's begin. If you follow me on Instagram, you already know the theme is Boxy Spring Revival. The first brand that we have here is by the brand Georgette Klinger, and this is the vitamin C mask. This little guy revitalizes, brightens, and evens your complexion in minutes with a powerful infusions of vitamin C to protect skin and prevent free radical damage while boosting collagen production. This is actually a clay-based mask that draws out impurities, allowing argan and avocado oils to nourish and revitalize your skin. It's a clay mask, so that's why it comes in like a skin tone color. It's very thin. It restores youthful tone and texture, improves radiance and clarity, fights signs of aging caused by UV damage, promotes healing and repair, brightens dull, uneven skin, draws impurities from pores, smooths and firms. This face mask is also very different to any other clay mask because it comes in a different kind of packaging. I've actually never seen a clay mask in a pump packaging. My skin has actually been very good. I'm not breaking out as much as I was before. I have a breakout right here which I decided to cover with a fake beauty mark. The rest are actually beauty marks that just enhance them. This little guy retails for $36. The next item that we have right here is by the brand Flirtacious Cosmetics, and this is the Perfect Duel Quick Beat Mini Base. I don't really use these for foundation. I decided to use it for my skincare. I use this to apply the clay mask instead of using your hands for the clay mask. I love these brushes for skincare. A flawless finish that lasts all day begins with the right tools. The Perfect Duel by Flirtacious Cosmetics is the essential foundation tool travel set. So that's why the brush is a small brush. It is a traveling set. Featuring Quick Beat, a latex-free foam beauty sponge with a unique sharp tip and flat edge, an exclusive travel-sized paddle-shaped synthetic brush with a shorter handle for an even easier application. She's perfect for on-the-go glam. Both tools are key for smooth application that melts onto your skin, especially in hard-to-reach places. And I definitely could use this to apply the foundation. I don't know why I didn't do it. And you can use your sponge to blend it all in. I actually like the sponge. It's very soft. I like the fact that it has the rounded edge here all the way at the bottom and the flat side towards the tip of the sponge, and you have their logo right there. This whole set retails for $30. Next in here is a beautiful palette which I saw on the sneak peeks from BoxyCharm, and I was so excited that I actually got it. This is the brand Beauty Bakery and it's called Sour You're Doing. The packaging is adorable. I love it. It's basically pink lemonade. You have your beautiful mirror here and it has the edge with lemon slices around it, and you have 9 beautiful eyeshadows in here. Like, look at them. It's so pretty. I actually struggled to come up with a spring makeup look that wouldn't be repetitive for you guys. And I wanted to be sort of kind of easy and more on the subtle side, but still kind of glam. Because there's also a liquid eyeshadow that I wanted to include in the makeup tutorial. It's kind of hard to mix the rose gold liquid eyeshadow with the warm tone colors, but I came up with this eye look and I really do love it. I actually think it does look like pink lemonade. I went with sweet. I wanted like that kind of soft pink, but still kind of on the warmer side. And then I added the Sangria, which is an iridescent white with a pink iridescence to it, and it looks so beautiful. It looks like a pink lemonade. And Sour for my brow bone. Now for the lower lash, I did added Chalktails to kind of deepen the bottom lower lash, and I blended in with pink lemonade to just add that more concentrated pink color. I didn't want to come too strong on the top lid, so that's why I added on the bottom. And obviously I had to add the yellow, which is Tarte, on the inner corner. This beautiful palette is actually a new launch. Make sure to try it out because it's actually a really good palette and it's very, very pigmented. This palette retails for $38. Next, we have the liquid eyeshadow. The liquid eyeshadow is actually by the brand Lucky Chick. The packaging is so cute and it's in the shade Rose Quartz, which is the graphic liner that I have going on. It's very easy. It is good for you to put it all over your eyelid because this is actually enriched with smoothing cucumber extract, so it's gonna be good for your eyelid. Such a nice rose quartz color. It's very, very pigmented. A little bit goes a long way. This gorgeous metallic pink shade creates a beautiful tone while radiating a subtle shimmery glow. It is lightweight, long-lasting, and has the right amount of shine and luster. Wear a thin layer on the lids or build it up for a more dramatic look. Layering this soothing cucumber enriched eyeshadow makes it perfect for all day wear. I didn't use it all over my eyelids because I didn't want to do the regular kind of makeup look that I always do. I actually didn't use the wand. I just took it out and I grabbed my thin brush and I just dabbed it on the little doe applicator. It's actually pretty soft, puts on a lot of products. You may want to put a little bit on the back of your hand and then from there grab it, depending on what kind of makeup look you're going for. Like it says there, if you want to go for a subtle look, then just apply a little bit. So you can just use your fingertips and dab it, and then you have the subtle rose gold right here. If you keep adding more, it gets more intense. This little guy retails for $22. And last but not least, we have the Christophe Robin Paris Instant Volumizing Leave-In Mist. This is the second time I get this product. January or February I got this product and I actually liked it. This mist makes thin, fine, or flat hair feel thicker and full of body while delivering on easy to style hold. Using a delicate rose blend infused formula with baobab leaf extract and oligo elements from seawater. This mist helps enhance hair's texture and provides a lift to the roots for a long-lasting volumized look. And it smells so good. It smells like roses. It literally does. Right now my curls are dying. There's something about it that the first time I used it, it actually came through with the curls. My curls were intact. So the first time I used it, I think I sprayed it and I didn't wait so long, so it was still kind of wet, and then I styled it. This time I applied it and then I waited. After it dried, I styled it. I like to brush through the curls so it's not too curly because I don't like super curly hair. I like waves. Or maybe I should apply more. I don't know if I applied enough because I remember the first time I did it, like all my curls were super curly, and even after I brushed through, they kind of calmed down, but it was still voluminous. I used the one that I already had, the one that this box came with. I put it aside for the giveaway, which by the way is still happening. Anyways guys, this retails for $36. And that is everything in the box. I do believe that the price increase on the BoxyCharm base box, it is I believe $27.99. So if you want to sign up for it, I will leave the link that will take you directly to sign up for it. So that completes this video. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys liked the makeup. I am trying to make these videos easier for me to edit so they don't take long to come up for you guys. I do want to mention that I am still doing the giveaway. I just haven't filmed the video of everything that's going to be in it. I have the stuff aside for the winners. I say winners because I think I'm going to separate and make 2 winners out of the giveaway. It can reach a lot more people. I know it's just 2, but it's better than just 1. So just stay tuned for that video, and also please follow me on social media, basically Instagram and TikTok, because I now have TikTok. I will leave everything down below. Alright, so I'll see you to my next video. Bye!